Hi guys, it's BellaGemaNails, and today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate this very large bag. It looks like a Mexican serape, which is basically a Mexican blanket, and it's what I wanted for this particular project. This bag is massive, so I have to design it on a different table. The body of the bag itself is about 23.5 inches in length, and then the base, which is the bottom of the bag, is 16.5 inches. It does have little pegs on the bottom, and it's made pretty well, and it'll be great for a beach tote or just your everyday bag if you love large bags. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep on watching. For this project, guys, we're going to be needing our fabric fusion glue, our E6000. Make sure you have a mask to protect against the fumes. And we're also going to need a steam iron. So I have mine ready to go so we can adhere patches. The first patch I'm going to adhere is the Virgin Mary patch. This is going to be the main focal point of the bag. This is also going to be the front of the bag. I'm going to be embellishing both the front and the back, and this is going to be the focal point, so we're going to work all the other patches around this one. So this one will be your first patch placement. This one has no adhesive on the back. We're going to be using the fabric fusion glue and then placing it in the middle. With this glue, you only have to place a thin layer. You don't have to make it goopy and place a lot, otherwise it will not adhere well. Place a heavy object on the middle patch. It takes about 2 hours to dry. Okay, the next step is to add the roses. These have adhesive on the back. I will be using my steam iron to be able to place these on the bag. Okay, so I'm going to go about 1/2 inch from the base of the bag and apply the first rose upward, and the rest are going to be positioned differently, and I'll show you next. Okay, for iron-on patches, you make sure that you have the steam iron and you iron them and set it for 10 seconds, and then you release it, and then you run it over one more time. Just don't go back and forth. Now guys, I do have a bunch of books in the bag as well as a wooden board so that I have a flat surface to iron and adhere patches. Now I'm going to be placing the roses so that they go upward. So you place them on the bottom and then they're going to curve up. The next step is to lay out the angel patches the way that you want them and then iron them on. They also have adhesive on the back. This patch, guys, is so beautiful. It is made of real glass and it is just made beautifully. I will be posting links to all items down below, so don't forget to take a look at that. So the inspiration for this bag, guys, was the Mexicaba bag from Christian Louboutin. I did share that bag with you guys last year. I'll post images of the bag here as well. And I haven't been able to get a hold of the bag since it's sold out, but I wanted to create my own take. Now, the Finalizing was the inspiration for the bag I designed last year, which was the BellaGemaNails. And that Finalizing was beautiful as well, but the one I really had my heart set on was the Mexicaba. And so when I was searching for bags, I knew that I wanted a serape, Mexican serape looking bag, and I knew that I wanted to incorporate the Virgin Mary, roses, crosses, and angels in the design. So I'm very excited to be able to share it with you. The items took about a month to receive, but definitely well worth it. You could see how beautiful they are. Don't forget, you will need a cutting board or a wooden board and a lot of books to be able to press all these patches that you're using glue with down. For the iron-ons, of course, you're going to need something to be able to place your iron on that won't burn through. So a wooden board would be perfect. For this side, the main focal point is going to be the immaculate heart and I'm putting these hands in order to be as if they're holding the Immaculate Heart. Now, you've seen me use these style hands before on my previous rhinestone patch handbag, which I'll show a photo of here. But I thought it'd be nice to incorporate these. These are from a different seller. These are very good quality as well, and these are real cut glass. Okay guys, so I really need to get my head examined. I totally forgot to record. I ironed on the patches, the rose patches, to the back of the bag, and I have laid out the patches, how I'm going to be placing them. Now, I did purchase various crosses for this project. Some are acrylic stones and some do have real glass stones like this one here. This one also has glass stones. So, and these are glass as well, so they're very sparkly. I'm not going to be using any of the crosses because I think this is going to look just perfect without. So just keep on watching while I glue these patches. Make sure the edges are properly adhered so that they don't lift, and place a heavy object and let dry. Make sure you press the corners down so that they don't lift. I'm only going to be embellishing the outside perimeters of the purse strap. Unlike the back side, let everything dry overnight. Okay guys, so the bag is completed. You can see that I embellish the outside of the handles here. I didn't fill them in. And the center Virgin Mary patch with the roses looks stunning. And I did stuff it so that you can see what it looks like. It is huge. You can see all the little angels there. So this is the back, and you can see how beautiful it is with the roses placed on the bottom, the hands holding the Immaculate Heart, and then you have the hearts with the crown here, and the embellished handles here. So this is the finished product. I hope that you love the end result. If so, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up or pop a comment below. Please do not forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.